Hello everyone, I am Sudarshan Phule and today we are going to see Information System and Engineering Economics. So here we will start with Basics of Management Theory and Practices. And the topic that today we are going to discuss is modern organizations. So what is modern organization? The world nowadays consists of various organizations that have groups of people with common goals. Examples of organizations are private companies that have an objective of manufacturing and selling some product, or a department in government office that has some precise goals to fulfill. The organization is given a name and typically has physical location by which it is recognized. Organizations have lots of purposes, ranging from making income by commercial activities to providing information to people about their elected representatives and to enable millions of commuters make use of rail services in India. So as I said, today we are going to see modern organizations which are having features like IT enabled organizations, networked organizations, dispersed organizations and knowledge organizations. So let us first see IT enabled organizations. The organizations are modern in the sense that they have built into their structure the elements of information technology that enable them to function in a manner suitable to the demands of environment. This is the basic difference between modern organization and its older incarnation. Tata Motors, for instance, upon its launch in 1945, would also have to set in place built-in mechanisms to respond to its environment and to function in a manner appropriate to that time. However, what distinguishes Tata Motors functioning then and now is the difference in the current use of IT to shape its functioning and responsiveness. Now let us go through what do we mean by networked organizations. Modern organizations function in a world of digital networks in addition to the physical world that was the identical for the old organizations. The organizations are connected as nodes on network where they receive and transmit information. Remaining on networks requires sensing and responding to this flow of information. The digital network consists of internet and telecommunication networks that rely on digits, ones and zeros to hold information across large distances. Sensing the world means regular monitoring of the news and information that becomes available. This information is in the form of text, audio or video. Organizations such as Tata Motors have to continually monitor their digital environment to study about their markets, their competition, their partners and the business they function in. Responding to the digital information available to organizations is also a modern challenge. Information is extensively available immediately and in numerous forms. Responding means taking those actions that will move the organization towards its goals. The response could be in the form of further transfer of information on digital networks, say by issuing messages or by taking actions in physical world. Responses are shaped by the context of the situation that the organization operates in and by the nature of sensed information. For example, when Tata Motors launched its widely popular nano car, it anticipated huge demand for information from its website by potential customers. Therefore, it designed the site in such a way that it could handle the rush effectively. Now, next one is dispersed organization. An additional key feature of the lots of big modern organization is that they are extremely dispersed. Tata Motors, for example, have operations in many cities in India and in other parts of the world. The companies disperse their operations to best meet customer requirements or to locate functions where the resources such as skilled labor or raw materials are obtainable. Multinational organizations are well known to search for new destinations for their operations and also new markets. They are able to do this owing to the laws and facilities that are created by host nations as it benefits their economy. The challenge for multinational organizations is to entirely utilize the opportunities thus created and manage work and organizational issues in new surrounding. Next, knowledge organization. Modern organizations rely on knowledge workers to a much larger extent than older organizations. These workers differ from blue-collar workers as their work responsibilities involve accessing and dealing with knowledge about the work and the environment, as opposed to recurring manual labor linked to production. Knowledge workers enjoy autonomy in their work and the diversity of work they have to accomplish. As a result, they are better educated and more knowledgeable about business they are functioning in. A key task of modern organizations is to process information. They produce information concerning goods and services, gather it within the organization, and employ it to achieve their goals. Information is like adhesive that binds organization and its function together. For commercial organizations, it is a key constituent for competing in the market. Information is stored, processed, and converted into forms that make it an essential part of an organization. This is referred to as organization's knowledge base. Knowledge stored and accessed in this way enables the organization to drive action and shape its own understanding of the world. So I think this is sufficient for today. If you like my video, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.